How to mention someone in an Instagram story without showing them. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to mention someone in an Instagram story without showing their name, here's what you need to do. It might be a little bit complicated, but it's also simple. So first thing first, just head over to your Instagram story and select any photo where you want to mention a person. In this case, I'll just tap on the text button over here and simply tap on mention. Now, let's say I want to mention someone, but I don't want to show their name on my screen. In that case, what I will do is simply drag and drop this person's name to the corner. Make sure you do this carefully because it's not something that will work perfectly the first time. You might have to keep trying until you get something like this. As you can see, the person I tagged is completely hidden from the screen. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.